Ito yung fried pork strips na kakaiba kasi very crispy, juicy at masarap in every bite. Pero simple lang ang procedure. Tara at lutuin natin ang fried pork strips. I-blanch ang onion leeks or spring onion ng ilang seconds. Then i-finely chop and iset aside. Mag-beat ng 2 egg yolks at ilagay sa pork strips. Isiso ng salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and cooking wine. Pantanggal lang sa ng meat. Then ilagay ang chopped onion leeks. Lalagyan din natin ng flour and i-mix ng mabuti until everything is evenly coated. Magpainit ng oil sa katamtamang init lang at i-deep fry ang pork strips until slightly brown. Ilagay sa kitchen paper to absorb excess oil. Para ma-achieve ang crispy exterior and tender juicy ang loob, iparest muna natin ng 15 to 20 minutes ang fried pork strips at i-double fry natin sa mainit na oil about 1 to 3 minutes only. Iparest ng 5 to 10 minutes before serving para mag-settle yung juice at moist in every bite. So guys, tara na at kainan na!